Take a deep breath in. Exhale, 1 step down. Now, instead of making the twisting moves, we can just also step right across 1, like that. So 1, 2. And then from there, we're going to add in that twist again. 1, 2. And then as you come out of the twist, you're going to want to lift the leg up. The back leg will come up, up, up like this to the front. And then just straight out. 1. Then place the back leg behind where it was. Make 1 twist. Now you take the back leg on this side, lift it up to the front and go 1. And then bring it right back where it was. Then come around, around, around. Lift the back leg up and out. And then place it back again. Then we make the turn. And then back where it was. And a lot of you, as you're doing it, you'll notice balance possibly. When you do these kind of kicking exercises, you're using balance with it. So when you work them this way, you're learning the balance for the smooth transition from the next move to the next move to the next move. So instead of just standing there like this, doing a series of kicks and punches, that's one exercise that I'll show you also, but that's much easier. But what you want to learn is to have the balance and the flow. So the flow comes out of practicing these type of transitions that we're doing. They're very important in that you'll be able to keep your balance always without losing balance.